Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana Nirula and welcome to Myopchar. Today we are going to have a quick discussion about a very important question which I am sure is in the minds of many women, but you're not sure about the correct facts, and that is it safe, is it okay to have sex during periods, and can pregnancy occur if you do so? First, let me inform you of a very important medical fact, and that is the sperms remain alive in the female reproductive system for approximately 3 to 5 days after sexual intercourse. So if you are a woman who has irregular periods, or if you fall into the category of a person who has very short menstrual cycles, that is, you have your periods after every 20 to 21 days, then there is a faint chance that if you have sex on the last day of your periods, you might just get pregnant. So the best option here available for you is to use condoms during sex. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of having sex during periods. First of all, one thing is pretty clear, it's going to get very messy if you have sex during your periods. Other than that, there are many infections like hepatitis, HIV, syphilis and other infections which can spread through blood and body fluids. So if you want to protect yourself from such infections, it's always advisable to use condoms if you're having sex during your periods. Don't worry, if you're one of those women who enjoy having sex during your periods, I would give you a couple of advantages for it. First of all, having sex during your periods plays a very important role in relieving menstrual cramps. This is because if you have sex during your periods, there is a release of hormones and endorphins. These act as stress busters and also relax the muscles of the uterus, relieving you of the menstrual cramps. Also, many women report that if they used to have migraines and severe headaches during their periods, they also get reduced. Their chances get reduced if they have sex during the periods. It also increases your sex drive. So as long as you are comfortable, you can go ahead and have sex during your periods. It is an absolutely personal choice. I hope this short video has given you information if it's okay to have sex during your periods. If you like this video, like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries regarding this video, kindly leave in a comment. And if you want to talk to the doctors at Myopchar, you can download the Myopchar app and upload your details.